Hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to scan a Wi-Fi QR code with your laptop in 2024. Let's get started. 1. Open Google Chrome and navigate to the website ScanCar code. 3. Upload the QR code image you have. The website will process the image and display the Wi-Fi details in the next section. 4. Now open the Windows Start menu by clicking on the Windows icon in the lower left-hand corner and click on Settings. 5. In the Settings menu, go to Network and Internet. 6. Click on Wi-Fi. 7. In the Wi-Fi section, click on Manage Known Networks. 8. Click on Add a new network. 9. Enter the network name SSID from the QR code details. For the security type, select WPA2 Personal AES. For the security key, enter the password, also provided in the QR code details with P letter. 11. Check the box for Connect Automatically if you want your laptop to connect to this network automatically in the future. 12. Click Save to add the network, and that's it. You should now be connected to the Wi-Fi network. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.